జరగాలి ఈరోజు.
ఫోటో గ్యాలరీని ఈ దేవతల రాజధాని అమరావతిలో వెంకటయ్య
What is your agency?
Ingenious Studio Private Limited, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
This type of temples you are doing.
Yes. This is prepared by TTD, sir, the temple plan. This is now ready, sir. So right now this 7-story Gopuram is where we did the foundation stone, sir. Outer Prakaram would be the next phase, sir. Right.
No, make it only single phase.
Yes, sir.
Not 2 phases. Single phase you will complete it.
Yes, sir.
Well, phase 1, phase 2 are not necessary. Make it 1 phase only.
Yes, sir.
Will complete model temple.
Yes, sir.
Then I will talk to you afternoon remaining issues.
ఫౌండేషన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వితౌట్ డిజైన్ ఉంటుంది సార్. ఆ రోజు మిగతా కూడా యాక్టివిటీస్ ప్లాన్ చేయడం చెప్పారు సార్. అప్పుడు 150 కూడా శాంక్షన్ ఇచ్చింది సార్. అప్పుడు గవర్నమెంట్ మాలిక మొత్తం వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఇంతవరకు చేసేసారు. ఇవాళ మనం ఇవన్నీ శాంక్షన్ చేశాను సార్. కవర్ చూపెడతారు సార్.
అదే ఇది ఏంటంటే దిస్ విల్ బి యూనిక్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ది కంట్రీ ఆఫ్టర్ తిరుమల. ఇక్కడ అక్కడ తిరుమలలో ఏంటంటే పవిత్రంగా హిల్స్ అవన్నీ 7 కొండలు అవన్నీ. ఇక్కడ కృష్ణా నది పవిత్రమైన ఒడ్డు ప్లస్ 6 యాంగిల్లో ఈ సిటీ కూడా వస్తుంది. ఈ టెంపుల్ ఈ సిటీకి అడిషనల్ అట్రాక్షన్ కావాలి, సెల్ఫ్ సఫిషియెంట్ కావాలి, డబ్బులు కూడా భక్తులే కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసే పరిస్థితి రావాలి, వస్తుంది. వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి టెంపుల్ ఎట్లుందో ఆ నమూనా కింద మనం తయారు అవన్నీ రాకూడదు. అంటే ఎంతవరకు వాస్తు పర్మిట్ చేస్తే అంతవరకు నమూనా కింద తయారు కావాలి. వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దగ్గరికి పోయినట్టు ఇక్కడ ఫీలింగ్ సేమ్ డైటీ కాబట్టి ఆ ఫీలింగ్.
There are total 8+1 buildings in this now tourist pilgrim amenities, sir. Yan Mandiram, Annaprasadam building with 1,000 capacity, sir. Then help desk and Kalyan Katta building, sir. Then administrative building, Archaka quarters, staff in rest house.
Even everything, make it proper provisions.
Yes.
Where you are keeping.
Sir.
Ultimately expandable.
Yes.
Today 1,000, tomorrow 20,000 people will come. Always Annadhanam will go on.
Yes. Right.
Like that, we have to make it expandable, but you have to take river front into consideration.
Right.
That is very important.
Yes.
River front, we should not ignore.
Yes.
Even future, that is the biggest advantage for this temple.
Yes.
We have to keep everything, Dhyana Mandir.
Correct.
Every people will come here, meditation, bhajans, sevas, pujas,
Every religious programs in the continuous.
even tomorrow if necessary, Venkateswara Swami, Amaravati Devatal Rajdhani, I want to take it one rally.
Yes, sir.
Like that.
Right.
One Radham.
Yes, sir.
So that this area should be always vibrant.
Yes.
Venkateswara Swami, Kaliyuga Devudu, Devatal Rajdhani, Amaravati, Kaliyuga Devudu,
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ ప్రజల రాజధాని,
Yes.
ప్రజా రాజధాని.
Sir, do pilgrim hospitality
Model,
all the
clean,
temples.
green,
Yes.
hygienic.
Correct, sir.
Here everything will be green energy.
Right, sir.
So there won't be all these things. Then there will be new energy automatically will come.
Yes, sir.
God has to give next level of energy,
Yes, sir.
spiritual energy.
This is the master plan, sir. So right now this red part is ready, sir. And this 7-story Gopuram is where we are going to do now, sir. This is VIP guest house, sir, with parking, conference room, dining hall. This is Annaprasadam building, sir, with capacity of 1,000 at the moment, sir.
Here how many quarters we can create?
Sir, right now we have given 12 Archaka quarters, 12 staff quarters.
Quarters of one angle.
Yes,
Can we create 1 or 2 acres of land, 25 acres of land?
yes, sir.
2 acres, 10, 15, 20 cottages. We will invite people to donate.
Yes, sir.
Donors like that, if necessary.
Yes, sir.
Then ultimately, people has to stay here.
Sir.
They have to feel that experience.
Yes, sir. Near Krishna River, sir, we can plan.
Krishna River side, you can plan it systematically. Then meditation hall that side only.
Yes, sir.
And also 2 acres, how many cottages will come?
So usually we can do around 40 cottages. 40 good size cottages.
Around 50 cottages earmark.
Yes.
And construct.
Right.
Then it will be different.
Yes.
world.
Yes.
ఎక్కడైతే ఇప్పుడు ఫౌండేషన్ స్టోన్ చేశారు కదా దట్ ఇస్ దిస్ 7 స్టోరీ గోపురం.
Yeah. See.
Just trying to create the entrance main gate, sir. Total 4 entries are there for the project, sir.
Yeah.
This is the Dhan Mandiram, sir. Ground floor will have exhibition and temple exhibits. First floor will have meditation halls and performance galleries.
You have to make it here plantation in a big way.
Yes, sir.
Syncing with Amravati. Then Dhyana Mandir, one. Bhajans is another.
వేద పాఠశాల కూడా ఉంటుంది.
Veda Pathshala, bhajans.
Yes.
Continuous bhajans, pujas,
Spiritual
events,
Yes.
spiritual, what you call energization.
Yes.
Continuously.
Yes.
People should feel. Here,
Spiritual vibrancy.
already people are feeling here different vibrations.
Yes, sir.
They are feeling.
Yes, sir.
That you have to take it proper ecosystem.
Yes.
Right.
That is where I want.
Yes. This is the Kalyan Katal, sir. And help desk and the administrative blocks.
We are introducing Kalyana Katta also.
Yes, yes, yes. 200 plus
500 capacity కింద కట్టారు.
Even future expandable.
Yes, yes.
Make it everything expandable.
Yes. This is the creating Prakash Udyanam, sir, for about 3 acres. We'll have a laser show and then we can have possessions and programs.
Yeah, here
Discourses,
only
yes.
discourses, everything will be here.
Yes, about 3 acres. This is
By evening, people should come and spend some time
yes,
continuously,
Yes.
evening times. Like that, we have to create a beautiful lawn.
yes,
Can we do one thing? Earlier, we used to give there Krishna Harati.
Sir.
Can we introduce nearby this?
అర్థమైంది. Yes.
Opposite side, we are giving Krishna Harati.
Yes, sir.
Why can't I make it every day evening? Krishna Harati will be given here.
Plans.
like this.
Yes.
Then people will
సో
come.
సాయంత్రం yes, sir.
So Archaka quarters and staff quarters, ground plus 2, 12 each. Right now it's provisions.
Yeah.
2 bedroom houses.
Yeah.
This is the Annaprasadam building. Again expandable to 1 more floor. Sir. Right now capacity is 1,000 per rotation. Sir.
How many people are eating now?
1,000 sir. Tables.
మనకి
How many people are eating? As on today.
Right now it's about 600 right now in the capacity. Sir.
Make it 2,000.
Nice, yes.
You do one thing.
Sir.
Make it foundation for many floors.
Nice, yes. Nice.
Even it will go up to 10,000.
Okay, sir.
Continuously
Yes, sir.
increasing the floors.
Right.
Then they will have common kitchen. It will go scaling.
Yes.
Then nobody should have a feeling he is not feeding.
Yes.
Anytime he can come, have meal and then go. Happy.
Yes.